Welcome to lesson 4 of our Hebrew course. Over the last 3 lessons we learned about consonants, vowels, and nouns. Today we're going to see the article. So the article looks like this. So it's a he, a patah, and a dagesh forte. So essentially it's added to the word. So here we have a word and it's added to it. So it's inseparable. So the article is inseparable, so it just gets added before the word. So here we have an example, like the word melek. So you have king, right? That's what melek means. So when you translate it, if it doesn't have the article, right, it's not definite, you will translate it a king. However, if it has the article, you will say the king. So you will add the he, the patah, and the dagesh. Now, the dagesh forte doubles the value of the consonant in pronunciation. So in melek, in the indefinite, it's just melek. But in the definite, it's ha-melek. So it's a little bit longer. That's all it does. Now, if the consonant is just a regular consonant, like a final form or a begat kefat, we don't have any issues. They take the dagesh, they just double the value. However, we have a special group of people, a special group of consonants called the gutturals. And these gutturals, for example, is the aleph, the ayin, the he, the chet, or the resh. They do something different. They reject the dagesh. So for example, here you have the word ish, which means men. So here we have ish, which means men, and in ish, right, this will usually have a dagesh here, but gutturals do not like dageshes, so it rejects it, it kind of eats it away. Now there's 2 reactions to these elements, so to the gutturals. The first reaction is compensatory lengthening. So pretty much it means the guttural takes away the dagesh, but it's like, oh man, you know, I took your lunch away, let me give you something back. So what happens is that the short vowel here, right, the short vowel here went into a longer vowel. So that's how you know that a guttural rejected the dagesh. So it gives you something back. However, there's a second group, which is the hungry ones, like you have he and chet. And they kind of virtually give you back your lunch, but they don't really give you anything. So for example, the word he, which means this, or she, it's a pronoun. So if you add the article, it'll just look like this, but there is no dagesh. So the only way for you to know is that, hey, this is a guttural, that hey and that patah is an article. It's a little bit tricky. We're going to do something in the exercises to help you out. But just remember that if it's an aleph or an ayin, it's like, hey, I'm going to give you something back. I'm going to show you that the dagesh, that I took your lunch, but I'm going to give you something back. But for the other ones, they kind of you just kind of need to know it. So those are some of the tips and tricks for the article. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and to share the video if it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.